Hi, I'm Marlon Fuentes, Social Media and Community Manager at Leia. Today I'll be walking you through how to get started with the Unreal Engine plugin now available in the Unreal Engine Marketplace. The Unreal Engine allows you to create amazing 3D Lightfield applications directly from Unreal Engine and experience them on your device. Ready to get started? Let's begin. Let's start by downloading and adding the Leia plugin to Unreal Engine. I'm starting in the Epic Games Launcher under the Unreal Engine section. Let's select Marketplace from the navigation bar. Once loaded, you'll see a search bar underneath the banner. Let's type in Leia to find the plugin. I already have this plugin downloaded, so mine has different options, but you'll want to click on Free to get it. It doesn't cost anything and will provide you all the tools you need to create content for your 3D Lightfield displays. After getting the plugin, we're going to click on this yellow Install the Engine button and use the drop-down menu to choose the engine version we're using, which for me is Unreal Engine 5, but this plugin will also work for 4.26 and 4.27. Back in our library, we can select Installed Plugins and see that the Leia plugin has been added to this engine version. Let's go ahead and launch Unreal Engine. We'll use a template to set up the plugin. I'm selecting top-down, but you can choose another. No matter which template you're using, we'll want to change the target platform to mobile instead of desktop. I'll name my project Leia Setup, and we can press Create. Once open, we'll click on Edit in the top toolbar, and at the very bottom, we'll select Plugins. In the Plugins window, use the search bar to find the Leia plugin that we just installed. Enable it by using the checkbox. You'll be prompted to restart the editor. Go ahead and do this now, or you will not be able to use the features of the plugin. Once it's reopened, we can search for Leia again and see that it's enabled. Now we can close the plugins window. In the top right of the content browser, we can see the Settings button. Selecting this will give us a drop-down menu. We need to make sure that the Show Engine Content and Show Plugin Content are both enabled. Back on the content browser's left-hand side, we can click on the magnifying glass icon beside our project name. Let's type Leia into the search bar that comes up. Scroll to First Person Example and open that map by double-clicking it in the content browser. By clicking on the camera in the viewport, we can see in the outliner that there's a LeiaCamera pawn child under the BP_FPS character. This LeiaCamera pawn is provided through the plugin, and it's what you will typically use in your projects that you will want to bring to a Lightfield device. In this demo level, it's already set up for us so we can see how to package a project for Android, but you can check out our other videos or documentation to learn more about the camera setup. Let's open our project settings, which are found back in the Edit menu, right above the Plugins option we used earlier. When I scroll down to Android SDK, these are the options I currently have and work with the Lightfield devices. If you don't already have Android set up, be sure to check out the official Unreal Engine documentation on how to get the Android SDK. Let's make sure that our demo map is the default level in the package. That way, when we launch the app, it will be the first map to open. Still in Project Settings, we will open the Maps and Mode section. First, we'll set the Game Instance class to Platform Game Instance. Then, still in Maps and Modes, find Editor Setup Map and select the drop-down menu. In here, we can search for First Person Example and click it to set it as our startup map. We'll do the same for the Game Default Map option. We have a few options to enable the platform Android settings. Using the search bar, find and enable Package Game Data inside .apk. Support ARM64. Support OpenGL. And enable Full Screen Immersive. These settings might be slightly different if you're not in Unreal Engine 5. Check out the LoomPad developer documentation if you're using a different version of the engine. If we scroll down in the same Android platform settings, we'll see these red banners. One that says, Project is not configured for Android, and one further down that says, Not configured for the Google Play Services platform. Select Configure Now on each of these. The banner should turn from red to green. Back in the search bar, type in Extra Settings. There's a text box for setting labeled Extra Settings for Application section. Here's the command we're going to be typing in here. You'll see that there's one for PC and one for Mac, so make sure to use the correct line. You can also find this information in the Leia documentation if you need them in the future. Now we can close the Project Settings menu. In the toolbar above the viewport, click on Platforms. In the drop-down menu, navigate to Android and pick Package Project. Let's save it in the project folder. We've started packaging. You'll see this little toast notification in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This will give you updates on what stage your package is on and how it's going. Let's click on Show Output Log and dock it at the bottom of our editor so that we can easily keep an eye out for any warnings of errors. Package successful. Now we can install the game onto our Lightfield device. Tablets must be connected to the PC through USB and set to developer mode. Check out the Leia documentation for more information on setting that up. Once your tablet is in developer mode, we can open a File Explorer window and find our project folder. My path is This PC, Documents, Unreal Projects folder. I'll open my Leia setup folder and then select Android ASTC. You'll see a couple of different options in here. We want to double-click on Install Leia Setup. This window that popped up will show the progress of the package. Once it's completed, you should have a brand new icon for your game on the device. If we tap on it, our game will open. When it's time to uninstall, we can return to the Android ASTC folder and click on Uninstall Leia Setup. And once it's finished, the icon will disappear from the device screen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to this video for more tutorials.